today we thank God for the gift of life that He has given unto us for today, and we are breathing. Guys, I know most of you are on work, and I want God to bless the work of your hands. Guys, today I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Guys, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Back and feel at home. In our channel, we have today newcomers who have joined us. Thank you so much, and feel at home. Feel at home. Continue doing what is good into our channel. Subscribe, like the video, comment, and share our videos. Guys, today I have an amazing video. But before we do the video, I thank those who subscribed to our channel and like our videos, shared our videos, and commented on our videos. Thank you so much for your support. It is not for granted, you guys. It is just amazing. You are the people I have. I have you guys. As I always say, I have you guys, and there is no one but you. You are the most important person, guys. Guys, I want you to see this. I'm in the kitchen, but where I'm going to do it in another place. But what I want you to see, it is a morning. It is a morning. What I want you to see is the sky, and you see how amazing is the sun up in the sky. Just have a view, outside view. Direct there, guys, we have very beautiful sun. We have very beautiful sun, and up there we have grayish cloud, and it shows it is a nimbus cloud. Maybe it shall rain later, but we can't judge it now. But the thing is, I love how the sun is there. I don't know, guys, if you are seeing. Comment if you are seeing that sun. How it is wonderful. It is changing to blue color. Do you see, guys? Just see. Wow. It is blue. Imagine, look, guys. It is amazing. It is twinkling, and it is blue in color. Okay, guys, what we want to do is not that. Basically, it was not that. Let's go the other side. We see what we should do today's video. Guys, continue subscribing, continue supporting me, continue sharing, and continue commenting down below. As you see, guys, as you see, I'm in this sitting room. I'm in this sitting room. I'm in this sitting room, guys. And as you see here, guys, I have some of the things that I want to do now with you guys. There is some of the things that I want to do with you guys. Okay, guys, let me do what I'm doing. As you see here, guys, I have this machine, and this machine is called vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner, it is also called makalasa. So what I'm going to do with this, I want to clean all chairs with this vacuum cleaner. And here, right here, we have our table that is a just mirror table, and this mirror table is somehow dirty. I will just clean it using a towel, wet, of course, wet towel and dry towel. Just have a view, guys, and let's start our work for today. Guys, as you see, that is everything how it looks here. Then let me start with this. Let me put the power on. What I need to do, guys, is to put here our 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 loading, and we start directly to do what we should do. Okay, go with me, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's do this together. Okay, as you see, I want to put on this, want to put it on. I will just put it on, then I will put there, guys. I don't know if you get me. If you get me, tell me you get me. If you don't, tell me again you don't get me. Guys, as you see, I'm just use this. What I should do is to just remove this, because now this one, now this, just bear with me, guys, bear with me. Guys, bear with me. Maybe I'm not hard enough, but what I want to do, I want to clean here because it is very dirty, and that's why I remove the first one. Let's have a view of this. Guys, just clean it like this because it is dirty. You see, it is dirty, and that's how we should clean it. Go here and clean it, everything, and return everything after cleaning it. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. I hope you are enjoying the video. As you see, I've completed to clean here. So what I should do, guys, I should just return it cushion. It is called cushion in English. If you have a proper word, if you have a proper word to tell me, just comment down below. As you see, I'm returning the way they were, guys, because I've just finished what I was doing. What I will do, I will return this one on. As you see, guys, I'm returning this one and put this one on, and then I will put there. I hope you are enjoying the video. I hope you are enjoying the video, guys. And I will just take this out of here, then remove. Then, guys, I want you to see. As you see, we shall just clean here, and in this edge, and here, guys. As you see, I've already completed there. Return it. in a proper way. Return it in a proper way. Why do we return the way it was? Because we are keeping that house or that place the way it was. Okay, guys? Then we shall move to the other side. We shall move to the other side. As you see here, I'm here already. I will take this so that you can have a full view of it, guys. Okay? Continue subscribing to our channel, continue liking our videos, comment on our videos, tell a friend to like and comment our videos as well, share our videos. Guys, let's have a view. What I will do, guys, I will just return and put on. Just see, guys, here we have some ants. So what I shall do, I shall just come and take it right there so that it cannot move to anywhere else. Let's continue cleaning because we have this at the edges. Let me continue. Then I remove this. So that we can have full view. Just see, guys, just see, we have a pencil, we have a pin, we have some hair just there. Don't say I was lying, it is too dirty, so I should clean it directly. guys, I've just put off the vacuum cleaner. I've just put off the vacuum cleaner and just have a view of this. I've just arranged it the way it was, guys. So don't tell me you did not show us how you did it and arrange it. I just arrange it the way they were. Just have a view. Guys, I'm tired. Okay, just have a view. You see, I return everything the way they were. Guys, as you see, I have this towel, and I have this towel. This towel, of course, is a wet towel. It is a wet towel. Don't say it is dirty. It is very clean, guys. It is a wet towel that I'm going to use to clean. Yes, hey, to to clean these tables. Then I will wipe with the other one. I will wipe with this. I will wipe with this. I will wipe with the wet one, of course. This is the wet one. And because it will get dry, I will just dry it very fast. See, guys, the way I'm doing it. Do you enjoy I doing it? You see, it has become it was become already dry, and I knew it will become dry. Then I will just wipe very fast so that it should not collide with it. You should not collide with it. Okay, guys, are you enjoying? Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I hope you are enjoying, guys. I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying. And this one is the last one to be clean. And I will take the vacuum cleaner aside. So let me put it there. Then I will just clean. I will just clean. Have you enjoyed, guys? Can you look? Is it clean? Comment down below if it is clean, guys. If it is clean, just comment down below. Another step is I will just take out this, put off, then take out to make it together, and that will be the end of everything, guys. Just have a view as I make it. Whew. Guys, you see? You love it? Tell me if you love it or not. What I'm doing is just doing it like this, putting it together, then I will just put it there. This is the end. This is the end of it, and this is the end of this video. Have you enjoyed, guys?